Buying gold coins on ApeMex is easy. Knowing your real cost takes work. Before you click Buy on ApeMex, separate the spot price from your checkout price, because they're never the same. Coins usually cost more than bars because you're paying for minting, recognizability, and demand. The real hidden cost is the spread, what you pay above spot today versus what you'll get selling later. Even a huge dealer can be convenient without being cheapest on the exact coin you want. And delivery adds real theft and loss risk, so success means knowing total cost up front. Your best step one on ApeMex is choosing the right type of product, because that decision drives premium and resale. Start by sticking to bullion coins, not collectibles, since collectibles rely on grading stories and can be harder to exit. Then check the premium range across similar coins before you commit to one listing. For value, 1-ounce coins often hit the sweet spot on cost per ounce. Fractional coins add flexibility, but premiums usually jump. Favor recognizable, widely minted coins, and know how you'll sell before you buy. To compare ApeMex options honestly, you need an all-in delivered price, not just the coin price. Look at premiums by product and watch how fractional sizes quietly creep higher per ounce. Normalize every choice to a troy ounce so a $110 O's coin doesn't trick you into overpaying. Also check payment method surcharges because card pricing can be meaningfully higher than bank pricing. Then estimate the round trip spread. If you pay so over spot and sell 3% under, that's roughly a 9% hill to climb before you break even. When you're ready to place the order on ApeMex, the key move is controlling the price and the logistics. You're typically locking a price at checkout, and the payment window matters, so don't treat it like an online t-shirt order. Decide coin versus bar based on your goal, then compare the coin's premium against a similar weight bar to see what convenience costs. Mentally budget for bid-ask spread as part of ownership, not a surprise later. Ship to the safest address you can control and track processing time separately from shipping time so you know where the package actually is. After delivery, your job is to protect resale value because that's where most mistakes get expensive. Keep items sealed unless you're verifying authenticity, since damaged packaging can reduce what a dealer will pay. Avoid getting talked into rare collectibles if your goal is gold exposure. Bullion is simpler to price and sell. Remember, the spread is your exit cost, so plan storage and access like you're safeguarding cash. Document everything. Order confirmation, invoices, and photos, because proof matters in disputes and insurance. And plan your sell before buying, so you're not forced into a bad price later. If your round-trip spread is 10 to 12%, you can be right on gold and still lose money short-term. The smart investor matches you to the right way to buy gold for your goals and shows the real dollar cost differences over time. Free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link is in the description.